Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kent Folding Comb is probably one of the most iconic and enduring grooming tools ever created, offering a perfect blend of classic design, superior craftsmanship, and unmatched portability for maintaining a perfect hairstyle wherever you go. In this video, we will explore what makes the Kent Folding Comb stand out from the crowd and why it deserves a spot in your grooming kit. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Comb. Gentlemen, are you ready to experience the ultimate beard grooming? This comb will transform your beard care routine. It features fine and coarse teeth, effortlessly detangling and styling your beard, no matter the length or thickness. Say goodbye to painful pulls and static. This comb glides through your beard, leaving it smooth and manageable. It's ideal for distributing beard balms and oils, ensuring even coverage and promoting healthy growth. Look and feel your best with a well-groomed beard. This comb will help you command attention wherever you go. The included case keeps it safe and makes it easy to take with you, wherever your adventures may lead. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. It features fine and coarse teeth for a versatile grooming experience and comes with a protective case. If you need a comb that's gentle on your beard yet effective at detangling, and you appreciate the convenience of a carrying case, then this is the perfect choice for you. This ensures your beard stays well maintained wherever you go. What people say. The comb lays my beard down exactly how I've always wanted. Not only does it stream effortlessly through my beard without getting snagged, it also evenly disperses beard oil if you're looking for that perfect layer of healthy shine. It fits comfortably in the hand. No snags. It actually feels good to use. The comb includes a stylish black slipcase with the Viking Revolution logo engraved, 3D stamped, in it. The comb also has a simple but stylish engraved type stamp on it. Number 4. Striking Viking Folding Comb. It handles even the wildest beards with its evenly spaced teeth. Just toss it in your bag for a quick beard fix anytime. This wooden comb helps detangle and strengthen your beard. It evenly spreads your natural oils, leaving it stronger and healthier. Growing a full beard takes dedication, but this folding wooden comb makes maintenance easy. It encourages growth and keeps your look well groomed. Perfect for travel, this foldable comb fits easily in your pocket but works great on even the thickest beards. It's the ultimate travel comb. Pair this wooden comb with striking Viking beard oil for the finest beard. It ensures your facial hair stays in top shape. We pride ourselves on the quality of our wooden combs. This folding comb ensures you get that strong and healthy beard you've always wanted. What we like. This sandalwood comb is compact and perfect for travel, offering a luxurious grooming experience. If you value portability and appreciate the natural benefits of sandalwood, this folding comb is ideal for keeping your beard neat and tidy on the go. Its small size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. What people say. It fits into my pocket really conveniently. Its wood with a brass-looking bolt look is pretty cool. The all wood, not plastic, means it doesn't mess with static electricity in hair at all. Great pocket comb for beards. High quality wood and finish and solid fittings. I carry mine everywhere. I really appreciate the quality of the materials used making this comb. I have gone through several other brands and the teeth tended to become brittle and break after a short period of time. This comb, however, I have found to be extremely durable, comfortable to use, and easily maintained. The spacing of the teeth are perfect from what I can tell. Number 3. Kent AFOT Handmade Comb. This meticulously crafted comb offers a superior grooming experience. Its fine teeth gently detangle and stimulate your hair and scalp, leaving it healthy and shiny. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel or keeping in your pocket. Enjoy effortless grooming anytime, anywhere. The saw-cut teeth are hand-polished for exceptional smoothness. This prevents pulling or snagging, ensuring a comfortable experience. It's made from high-quality, plant-based cellulose acetate. This durable material is flexible, waterproof, and produces less static. The smooth teeth gently massage the scalp, stimulating natural oils and hair follicles for healthy growth. It's great for all hair types. This comb makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, or any special celebration. Since 1777, Kent has been a trusted name in grooming. This comb reflects their commitment to quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This handmade comb boasts microscopically smooth, saw-cut teeth, ensuring a gentle yet effective grooming experience. If you have fine or thinning hair and prefer a meticulously crafted comb that minimizes pulling and snagging, this is a great option. Its gentle touch makes it suitable for daily use. What people say. The teeth have a round, smooth edge to them. The black store-bought ones seem to have very sharp teeth, and if I wasn't careful, I'd scrape my scalp with them, not the case with this one. These are excellent, nice quality plastic, smooth all over, convenient pocket size and a nice tooth stagger for beards. It's a smidge on the thick side, but the teeth taper uniformly to a comfortable width. Combing my thinning hair is actually a treat, since there's no scraping, dragging, or snagging when using it. It really does comb well. Number 2. Kent 82T Pocket Comb. Introducing the Kent 82T, a meticulously handcrafted pocket comb. Its fine teeth gently detangle and style your hair, beard, or mustache. This comb is made in England using traditional saw-cut techniques. The hand-polished finish ensures smooth, snag-free combing. It's crafted from high-quality cellulose acetate, a plant-based material known for its durability and reduced static. This makes it perfect for all hair types. Its compact size makes it ideal for on-the-go grooming. Keep it in your pocket for effortless styling anytime, anywhere. Kent has been a leader in brush and comb making since 1777. This comb reflects their commitment to quality and timeless design. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Kent 82T. It's more than just a comb, it's a statement of style and quality. What we like. This folding comb is perfect for everyday grooming, featuring fine, saw-cut teeth for a smooth and snag-free experience. If you're looking for a convenient and high-quality comb that's easy to carry and use, this is a great choice. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel and everyday use. What people say. The Kent 82T folding comb is an excellent grooming tool, especially for those on the go. Made with high-quality materials, this comb is both durable and gentle hair, helping to reduce static and prevent hair damage. The compact size and folding design make it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. No clip to break off, sturdy comb that does a great job for touch-ups during the day. The comb part of it itself is definitely long enough to do anything I need to do as well. The jackknife style makes them easier to pocket the teeth catching on anything, and while the teeth are still the length of the folded comb, you get the teeth with a handle, like a jackknife. You aren't trying to hold directly over the teeth, an effectively longer comb. Number 1. Kent 20T Folding Pocket Comb. It's the ideal size for your pocket or bag, making grooming easy anytime, anywhere. This finely crafted comb is perfect for hair, beard, or mustache. Its hand-polished, saw-cut teeth provide a smooth, snag-free experience. Enjoy a gentle glide that stimulates your scalp and hair follicles. It's meticulously handmade from cellulose acetate, a plant-based plastic that minimizes static. Experience the difference of a truly superior comb. It's part of the Kent range, a legacy of quality spanning generations. It's a reflection of personal style and grooming excellence. Kent has been a trusted name in grooming since 1777. This comb embodies that tradition of quality and craftsmanship, made to last. Whether you're styling your hair, beard, or mustache, it provides a superior grooming experience. Discover the difference of a truly exceptional comb. What we like. This fine-toothed comb is compact and perfect for everyday grooming on the go. If you need a small, yet effective comb for your beard and mustache, this is a great option. Its compact size makes it ideal for carrying in your pocket or bag. What people say. The idea is awesome. Comb feels great going through my beard. No sharp teeth. It should be easy to carry everywhere. Pocket clip to hang in my Belroy Chimera sling bag so it doesn't get lost. This is a great alternative to carrying a full-sized comb. This comb went through my hair with no problem and is very well made. It's sold as a beard and mustache comb but really does a great job with times long enough to go through a full head of hair, plus it's very compact and low profile. The craftsmanship of the comb itself is impressive. It's definitely not one of the unbreakable plastic types that come in a 3-pack at a drugstore. It's also a good balance between portability and quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.